really cold. We just came out for nature walk. It's early morning. We are just by the pond here, guys. Let me show you guys. It's beautiful. Some geese are just out there. The white one, let me show you guys. See them there, guys? I think I should zoom it. Some are here making noise. See them there, guys? That beautiful one. And we have some here with their little ones enjoying the place. See how they make noise. Maybe that's their language. Right? Oh, it's close, guys. It's beautiful, guys. See that pink flower there? The pink tree? And some little bird there. You're tired riding? Look at that bird. Did you see that bird?
They have babies.
Yeah, this one's. I think they're yeah, I see this one's. Sure. That's mom and dad there. I love those one there, the one on the other side. So beautiful. This one have only four. See? They only have four kids. They're little ducklings. They're so beautiful. The neck is really crazy. Okay, let's go up there. Get your bike. See, the sun is clearing now. It was so cloudy. Oh, this one have trees. See them with their babies there. Have the bridge there. It's kind of here is a little hilly. We're gonna cross the other side there. Enjoy the view, guys. Oh, this one have a lot now. This one's have a lot of things. Let's cross the side. Come on. Come on. You can tell, guys, if the rain was really heavy here. You can see it coming. Oh, look at the water sparkling. It's beautiful. See the geese? Those one have babies there, right there. See, some of them are there behind. It's kind of cold, by the way. You don't go up to there with the bike. Let's go that side. This one have a lot of ducklings. This one have a lot. See them? Yeah. Beautiful nature. It's like they're taking their little ones in the water. I don't know whether it's really safe. See them how they play around. Eh? Yeah, you know this. They can swim, by the way. That's their nature. Yeah, because the water doesn't have a lot of strong current. They can swim. Up to the, I'll just follow up to the, you know where the thing is, where the bench is. You just need to know your right of way. Oh, it's cold, guys. Beautiful nature. Enjoy the nature, guys. I always love this place. Dogs are barking. Some of the dogs are really big. Oh, it's getting so windy in here. I don't think you can hear me well enough. It's so windy. I love those little geese. Huh? You see now they get in the water? See them? Now you can tell they can swim. So cute. You see the mom and dad are guiding them. So that they don't they are going against it. See how they are shaking? It's a wave actually shaking them. It's so beautiful. Beautiful nature. you guys. You don't come down here with it. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. You see how far they went? From here up to there. So beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and share. Love you guys. Right.